So here's our dilemma. We have a very busy day all day and we have an event at night. Do we do our makeup in the morning and hope that it lasts all day and will be nice and fresh for the event at nighttime, or do we not wear any makeup all day and struggle through the day and just do our makeup at night? So what to do? I'm Judy from Judy D Beauty, and I've got an answer for you. One of my favorite products is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. This is the package, and this is what it looks like. So what you can do is you don't have to struggle and not wear makeup all day. This will give you the long-lasting wear that you need so that you can do your makeup in the morning, go all day, and still look fresh for nighttime. So this is a multi-purpose product. So this does a whole bunch of different things, and it does it beautifully. I'm very big on product performance. So this is literally clear like water and looks like water and feels wonderful when you apply it, and I'll show you how we're going to do that in a minute. So after you've finished applying your serums and your moisturizers, and before you put your foundation on, you can spritz a little bit of this on your skin, not very much, and this is going to be your barrier in between your face and your makeup to give it that long-lasting wear. If you have some pores that you really need to address, you can use a thicker primer for that, but this is going to go all over. Then when you're finished your makeup, you give another little spritz of this all over, and this actually seals your makeup without being sticky. It's not like a hairspray type of a thing. It literally seals your makeup in for all day, and it leaves your skin beautifully dewy and fresh looking. Now it doesn't have parabens, it doesn't have sodium lauryl sulfate, it doesn't have talc, it doesn't have silicones in it, it doesn't have phthalates, it's oil-free, and it has electrolytes in it to make your skin just look glowing. It's wonderful. And another very, very nice feature of this is that when we tend to get a little warm at times, as some of us more mature women can at times, you can actually put this in the fridge, and when we spritz it on, it's going to be so refreshing and so lovely and just give that nice glow to our skin without having soaking wet water coming on our face. And it has a very, very fine mist with giving our skin some nice treatment to our skin as well. And so through the day you can apply this without being gummy or tacky. So at the end of the day, when you've done your makeup in the morning, it's still looking fresh, you can just give a little spritz and it'll freshen and pick it up right away. So how to use it. So it says on the instructions to go 8 to 10 inches away from your face. So what you're going to do is as you exhale, then you're going to spray. So just like this, very simply, and that's it, you're done. And it has a very, very light scent, and it's going to dry inside of a minute, within seconds, because it's so light, and it'll leave your skin with a nice, fresh, dewy look. So I would say if you really want to have something that is for that purpose, something that's light, something that's refreshing, give this a whirl for sure, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, sign up for my newsletter. I'm always available. If you have any questions, be sure to ask. I'd love to answer anything you might have questions about, or wondering if something you've tried or you want to try, or how it compares to something else. If I can, I would love to answer. So hopefully this will be a good answer to that problem for you, and let me know how you like it. I would love to hear how you like this product.